Now we are studying the disorders of respiratory system. Disorders of disorders of respiratory system. Disorders of respiratory system. So, in which one very common, that is asthma. Very common asthma. What happens in case of the asthma? That is the difficulty in breath. It causes difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing causing wheezing. Due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. So this is in asthma, there is a difficulty in breathing, and difficulty in breathing that causes wheezing, and this happens due to the inflammation of bronchi and the bronchioles. This is a very common disease. And next one is the emphysema. The disease is very common in persons who are using the cigarettes. So what happens in emphysema? It is a chronic disorder. It is a chronic disorder. Chronic. It is a chronic disorder in which alveolar air valves are damaged are damaged as a result respiratory area is reduced. It is very common. It is very common it is very common in cigarette smokers. Cigarette smoker. It is very common in the cigarette smoker. So this is the emphysema in which the alveolar walls are damaged, and as a result the respiratory surface area is reduced, and it is very common in case of the smokers. Now next one, the occupational respiratory disorders. Occupational. Respiratory disorders. These disorders takes place in persons who are involved in the such work where a huge amount of the dust is the produced, just like in the grinders, stone breaking industries, brick field, etc. So what happens in the occupational disorders? The peoples involved in the grinding, stone breaking, brick fields, etc. etc. Long exposure. Long exposure to dust. Long to dust causes inflammation, leading to fibrosis, and leading to fibrosis and thus causes lung damage. So people's working in this field, they should use protective mask. They should use protective mask to prevent respiratory disorders. Thank you.